Welcome back. How are you all? I am late for the tutorial video due to a problem, so I apologize to everyone. From now on I will try to upload the video on time. Next shoutout is for my random subscribers. Shoutout Moonstar and Saini Gaming. Thanks for supporting me. Now I always do a random shoutout from my subscribers. If you want to get mentioned next video, subscribe now. However, this channel has helped me a lot from the beginning. You will definitely come back from this channel. He makes a lot of good content. Today I will not discuss any tutorial. I will give you some information about what videos are coming later. I haven't given any complete tutorial yet. I have just shared the good and the bad in general. But from now on I will bring the tutorial on any subject once a week. There are many things ahead for PUBG lovers. So don't miss anything, stay tuned. So far today. Thanks for watching the video for so long. Wait for the next video. Goodbye.